What is up, crypto traders, investors, and enthusiasts? How are you? What is up? What's going on? Anyways, looks like the whales are out there, and they are doing their whale things. So, I did post a video showing I was a little bullish on altcoins for the weekend. Did have a video on FTM, Mana, and we looked at Luna. Forgot what else we did. Anyways. Now we're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at ApeCoin. We are also going to look at Theta. Theta, I believe these things have very good opportunity, but we got to be careful out here. These whales are stop loss hunting, so might have to lower the leverage a little bit and keep those stop losses tight. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at the trade setups, what I see based off what Bitcoin is doing. If you haven't done it already, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and all these videos are time sensitive, so that bell will really help you out. Join the Discord, and go ahead and follow me on Twitter. Get notified every single time I upload a video or go live. Later today, I'm not going to be doing a live stream on crypto, but I will be doing a live stream on gaming. So if you're also into Warzone, we're going to be playing some Warzone. Anyways, without further ado, let's jump into it. Looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour. We're looking at the 4-hour, not the daily, because nothing really changed on the daily. But the 4-hour, this is a big deal. So we are finding support. We have found support, oddly enough, on the long-term trend line. That is phenomenal. We also had support sitting down here at 28,500. We held pretty strong. We are now trying to break above another level of resistance, which could be flipped as support. 29,300. Breaking above right now. Thing you have to be focused on is we do have this down sloping resistance. If we can manage to break above 30,700 and stay above, backtest as support even, that would be phenomenal because our next target would be $32,982. Looks like the whales are looking to make this a possibility. If we look over here at the Bitfinex longs, we're going to check out the Bitfinex longs. You can see they are still going crazy out here. Still going up. On the 4-hour, you can see there's no red. There's no longs. This is the last point. Whatever. So, Bitfinex whales still think the price is going up, so you can take that with a grain of salt, of course, but does look positive. Now, that being said, let's get back over to this Bitcoin chart. Let's go ahead and check out the lower time frame, see what we're looking at. Because no, the 4-hour does look like it's trying to go bullish. There are some bears selling off, but you can see the 1-hour super oversold. We are getting a nice relief rally going to the upside. You can see on the MACD we are painting a little bit of positivity. This is a technical bullish divergence, double bullish divergence, which is great on the 1-hour. Going over to the 15-minute, looks like we are doing very well. So we are testing against the 200 EMA on the 15-minute. Looks like we could break above, get that back test we're looking for. If we back test this as support, I'm going to get even more bullish, and this is why I'm feeling bullish for the weekend. Now, that being said, let's go back to the daily. We're going to go down to ApeCoin first. So, looking at ApeCoin. ApeCoin's starting to rally right now, and it's looking pretty darn decent. So, we have this scraggly little sad support level based off when it got listed and there. So, this is the support level we're looking at. This is your long-term support. This is absolutely amazing. So, we have a technical support line. We do have resistance levels, of course. So we have a resistance right there, which we did regard as resistance. We have a support it's a nice little range here based off this wick, this support, and then we weren't low enough to get back down there. Now we have resistance levels as well. More like another little pocket we can consider. So we did utilize it as resistance. If I can get a steady hand here. Okay. Utilize it as resistance right there. God, I could not get that to save me. And a pocket right there. So, those are the pockets, and past that, you're basically looking at hardly any volume because everything just shot up from there. Straight up, straight down. So then you just go to the very top, right about this level, straight up, straight down in this zone. If you get above this level, I mean, sky's the limit. Just sky's the limit. Now, let's come down to the 4 hour. Come down to the 4 hour. 4 hour, you can see it's following Bitcoin to a T. However, you do have this 20 EMA sitting there holding you down at the moment. But you do have a wick on the bottom, so we do have a technical supply line, which is phenomenal. So technical supply line, we can say, is right here for now. For now. If anything falls below this level, you are looking to put in a short and see it go lower. But as I said before, these whales, they're stop loss hunting, so be careful. You might want to put it a bit deeper if you have the capability. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, you're bouncing off that perfectly, which you love to see. You love to see the bounce, which is great. We're going to get more confirmation later if that actually is your supply line. But yeah, so what we can see off the 1 hour time frame is we are putting in bullish momentum just like Bitcoin. So as long as Bitcoin doesn't roll over, fall down, and die, we should be doing well. This is interesting though. You got your 20 EMA on the 1 hour holding you down. You also have the 20 EMA on the 4 hour holding you down. So this is being regarded as very strong resistance. The only thing you can go off of now is 15 minute. 15 minutes looking pretty darn strong. However, we do have this pesky, very pesky little downward pressure we've been putting in on the 15 minute that we need to break above. So at this level currently, you're looking to put in a short. Okay, yeah, I said it, a short. You would be looking to put in a short, retest somewhere down here, resetting this stochastic RSI, also resetting this relative strength index. Once that gets reset, then you're looking for longs. And you want to see a confirmed breakout, backtest as support, and start taking off to the next level of resistance up here. Now, if you're going low leverage, I would say your price target would be up here at 19% gains. That is the price target. Rune, that's what we wanted to look at also. Sorry, really late on saying that. I just didn't know what the other one was. Wanted to look at Theta, but I also want to look at Rune. I just posted it in the Discord. If you're in the Discord, you got notified before I even recorded this video. Anyways, so looking at ApeCoin, if we do continue the upward trajectory, I'm looking at 19% from where you're sitting. Your stop loss would actually be down here at 758. If you're deciding to put a short in, your stop loss is right above this level of resistance at 842. All right, and you'd be taking profits on this level of support, 726. So I gave you the bullish and the bearish scenario. Make your own decision. Me personally, I would think to put in a short first and then put in a long after, just because you are regarding everything as resistance right now, and we don't know if Bitcoin's going to continue. Now, we're going to shift gears. We're going back to that 4 hour time frame, and we're going to look at Rune. So looking at Rune right now, Rune's doing something great. Absolutely phenomenal. This is what I just posted in the Discord. Rune looks way stronger than Ape because you had this downward pressure of resistance that we just broke out of. You have about 2 hours and 59 minutes, about 3 hours before this is confirmed breakout, but this is a breakout. As of the 1 hour time frame, it is a confirmed breakout. So 1 hour time frame, confirmed breakout, you're looking for that back test. This is set up for a long 31% upside potential out of this particular asset, provided TA is respected. If TA is not respected, I don't know what to tell you. We're going lower. We're going to backtest these lows down here at $2.46. And if you break that level, you're going straight down to $1.38. So let's hope it's not disrespected. But Rune looking a lot more bullish than Ape right now in the short term and basically the long term. So yeah, Rune for 1 hour looking very positive. MACD, same thing as Bitcoin, same thing as Ape. It's all showing bullish divergence right now. So that's what you have to focus on. Sellers could still be exhausted, which is a really good thing that you want to see. Now, let's go ahead and jump on up to Theta. Theta, where are you? There you are. Now, Theta, this is actually very, very interesting indeed, because Theta did something terrible. It broke out of its falling wedge pattern to the downside. You did not get a confirmation low, So right now you are regarding it as resistance. Until you break this resistance level, you're shorting this all day. Short all day. So you can see you're testing it again. Do I think it's going to break to the upside? I'm kind of 50-50 right now. If Bitcoin does decide to take a rally right now, yes, it will break to the upside, and your upside potential is $1.84. But I don't know if Bitcoin's actually that strong at the moment, considering volume is low on the weekends, and the market has been very unsure. So me personally, I'm thinking of putting a short in right here. Me personally, that is my own thing where I'd be putting a short in, and my price target is profit taking level 25% to the downside at this bottom to get a confirmed double bottom. Now, that being said, it could be complete opposite. You could see a break to the upside, and then you're looking at 29% potential to the upside. So once again, the whales are playing some games out here, and I don't know which side to lean on Theta in particular, but this is a flip of a coin. You have plenty of room to go up or down. Considering the stochastic RSI is curving down, I am way more inclined to think we're dropping. Way more inclined. 4 hour looking bearish. You're putting in negative momentum. You also have bearish divergence. On the 4 hour, bearish divergence, you need to regard that as something serious. So Theta looking a little weak. So I do believe 25% to the downside is possible. Maybe you stop a little short, putting a higher low at 15%. So take that with a grain of salt. If you manage to break this level at 25% downside, very fast, 50% downside potential. So keep that in mind with Theta. Theta's looking like it's struggling. It needs the help of Bitcoin. If you see Bitcoin rally, you will see Theta rally, and your price target's up here. So it is solely dependent on Bitcoin. If we come down to lower time frames like the 1 hour, you can see the stochastic RSI got a lot of upward momentum from a very little 1 hour candle. So that is also leading toward, it's looking a little bearish. Hate to say it. So we just gave ourselves a little room off the bottom to fall further. That's really all it looks like, in my opinion. Looking at the 15 minutes looking like it wants to roll over. Looks like it wants to roll over and come down. So the markets are actually all over the place, which that is great volatility wise. You can put longs and shorts. I personally enjoy that, because if I'm constantly trying to short everything, it's depressing to me. I want to see prices go up. I really do. But this is what I see out of the charts. This was Bitcoin. This was Theta. This was ApeCoin, as well as the Thor chain Rune. Hopefully this helped you out. Hopefully your trades are going well in this wild environment we're sitting in. And make sure you keep those stop losses tight. Make sure you keep them tight. Anyways, good luck in the trades out there. Good luck in making that cash, taking advantage of this market. I will catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Much love. Deuces.